Hello everyone, welcome back, and we're going to be doing a quick video on the SIM of the new Galaxy S9 Plus. As you can see here, it says that there is no SIM, so we're going to go ahead and install the SIM card. Let's go ahead and shut off the phone just to make things a little easier here. And we're going to see how hard it is to do a transfer with AT&T. So we'll take our old SIM card. It uses the same SIM tool. It's in the exact same place. And then we'll pull our new phone here. Pop that out. We can see that I have an expandable memory in this one already. So I'll put that same one in. It's 32 gigabytes. I'll probably get a bigger one day, but this one, it suffices. This phone is already twice the capacity of my last one. So we're going to try starting by just inserting the SIM in and seeing if this works. If that does it, fantastic. If we have to do more work, I will bring you along in the process. Let's go ahead and turn the phone back on here. Here we go. Service provider update. Your device will restart to configure features supported with your new SIM card. Okay. So we're just gonna restart the phone. Hopefully this doesn't add a bunch of bloatware like it had on the old phone, but we're gonna find out. Secured by Knox. Ooh. Well, looks like it's ready. Let's see if transferred anything over. No, didn't transfer any of my texts, but it looks like it got all of my contacts. Great. I'm gonna give my buddy a call. It didn't transfer any of their information, so I'm going to check out Google, see if I can sync my address book. Let's see if there's a way I can sync them through here. Google. Restore contacts. Yeah. So that's going to take a minute, and it says it'll do it in the background. We can see if you swipe down here, it's restoring contacts. It says they should be all restored. So if we go here, Kelby now has his contact information. Let's give him a call.
Hello.
Hey, it's working.
Yeah.
Bye. Alright, and that's it. It looks like it's as simple as just switching out the SIM card. I'm going to give AT&T a quick call, make sure there isn't anything else I need to do, because I'm pretty sure they do track the IMEI number assigned to the SIM card. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a call, make sure that they have that updated in their system, because that sometimes can cause an issue. But I'll let you know. I'll be back in just a second. Alright everyone, well that was actually rather painless, which I can't always say about AT&T's customer service when you have to call them, but yeah, the phone will work just fine. You don't have to actually call them, let them know, but it won't hurt to update the IMEI, which is located right here on the back on the box. So here's the box, and it's just right there. It's the IMEI number that they'd want to update. Every once in a while they do like a weird scan of like the phone system. They're like, oh hey, this doesn't match, and so they'll shut off your data service to this device. That happened to me on my Galaxy S5, and I prevented it on my 7, and so hopefully on the 9 this one works great. But yeah, so that's the process of adding a new phone to your AT&T plan. You can just drop the SIM card in and it should be good to go.